I beg, I don't come back. Oh, when I invite my friends. I never threw splash this morning. I need to finish with this yes splash. We call yourself splash. You call yourself splash. I need to finish with you. You get why I need to finish with you. Do me you carry yourself your dead body. Do me you carry your dead body come here. Do me you carry your dead body come here oh, because
Do in public.
they public yeah.
Okay.
Do me you carry your dead body come here oh, because you need to finish wetin you don start. You need to finish wetin you don start. Even this Olivia go dey laugh put. Go dey laugh after you come call yourself call me your friend. You call me your friend.
You now block pussy come off your
You
face.
get why? Splash abeg I don enter live video again. You need to call. You go type on Facebook say you go come live video by 10:30. I'm awaiting you. No
We
problem.
are waiting. We are ready for you, darling.
I'm awaiting to wash. I'm awaiting you.
It's not okay.
I'm waiting for you to start your live video.
It's not okay.
Let me come and wash.
And the wrong
Okay.
person, that idiot, come with
That
the wrong
bastard.
people.
Pussy
Nice
sharer,
comment.
you ain't made don fuck. You will go Napoli, you know CBST, you go stay one boy house, you see one boy for a train station, you follow the boy go out, the boy fuck you that night. You fit deny her. If you say na lie, I'll call the boy and tell this live video. The boy will defend himself. He say yes. After supply, you remember my voice. He will tell you his name. You are a very stupid human being.
Very foolish.
Very stupid human being. Stupid. But if you see am for ground, they be like,
I say na my brother help am when they don fuck it to tire for Napoli. Na my brother help am. If I sleep for train station that day when the boy pursue am comot for house.
If they call them Samantha children. If you see this, if you see this fly, it be like rabbit. When you say it fall for inside water. It be like rabbit.
When they see on top of bed when they
water.
finger itself, they no say as it take be like rabbit.
Yes, so we big pass this one. Oh, you get why I need to handle this bastard because he insult my girlfriend mother, which is not supposed. Which is not supposed, Because as Splash dey there, so I no fit insult Splash mother. No, because I have a mother. I no fit insult Splash mother, no matter wetin. Even though the corner dey hot. This live video, I'm not supposed to be doing live video, you know. I'm not supposed to be. It's here. It's already on public now.
Are you sure?
It's on public. My phone is on public.
Okay.
I'm not supposed to be doing this live video. I'm not supposed. But do you know why I'm here? You know why I'm here? Because
That bastard don't have any right to insult
bitches
me.
don't insult real people. Samantha even repass. Samantha will say they spell it. Samantha repass you. They repass you because na get correct. You go dey form say you dey make up with person. You can't say start say come for a train station. You dey because you want spoil their name. Or go dey kill you. We know everything now. We know everything. We know everything. All those things wey be say you do now forge everything. Then now just see only the foolish one I go believe you say yes. Say that call wey you make say person call you go dey talk say you can't say come in for church everything na true. Na only the fools the useless one go believe you. They go believe that call wey you make, that record wey you go dey play. You are very useless somebody. You know because they wan use you do because your pikin wey die the blood the swell wey say for you enter your brain na make you dey
disturb am for
na make you dey enter live video all the time. Go dey do live video. They do live videos.
you when your video full everywhere.
He say because he girlfriend na 14 years old person. He can't say.
I say I be 40 years. Thank you, but at least I still fine pass. I fine pass you and I fine pass your girl.
See, Mona take a good look at 40 years old woman. Very young, young and honey.
I know they watch picture.
Young and honey. 40 years old. Not be 40 years you call her, but at least you better pass. I don't want to carry mouth meet your girlfriend. You understand? I don't want to carry mouth meet your girlfriend. If your girlfriend come out for real life, the people will say, Anna, you will be say they white for live for video.
Now she use her mouth to talk and say
girlfriend. You get why?
But leave your girlfriend. Leave her.
You dey call my girlfriend 40 years old.
Yes,
yeah, I love her. As even though say she dey 40 years, I still love her like that. I still love her like that. You understand? I love her die. I love her die. But you now, only God know day wey be say go break tomorrow. Day if you break tomorrow, now you go see abandon that one wey you dey with too.
If you abandon her, hungry go kill am.
Because hungry go kill am because you know fit try am. Hungry go kill am because now you get from the person wey be say dey see splash me I tell you Aluna na be your saviour for this Europe. You go road work, they will still fuck you also free. They will fuck you also free.
When they fuck am for Napoli tire na doctor.
They will fuck you also free. They no go pay you money. You go still you see.
Yes, Lovena 40 years. I accept. I be 40. I be even 50 years, but at least I still fine pass you. Use normal camera to snap picture. Use normal camera. No, they use digital camera.
You know say I be for that video. Wait, you know say I be for that video.
Sass it be for. It be like shit.
It dry one kind of face. Oh my God, look at my face. Very, very, very horny. You see. You see face. You see my face. At least if I come outside now, you know see the way I fresh. I get cheek.
You can't call me. You know what it talk. You can't call me. Your friend when go meet. That friend when go meet. When that friend say they useless. Now that one want travel. Go another country. That one come pursue and come off for us.
Come and say, look, see my body.
That one pursue and come off for us.
You see my body. As in my body. I not be like bone.
I bet see me.
I not be like bone.
Look me.
They hear me. I not be like bone at all. You see me. See my body. See you see fresh with it. But your own. When you take dry for life, you dry like.
See pimples. You don't look your face. Pimples come out. I bet look our two face. You see any single pimples for our two face? Look our two face. Yeah. Look your face, may look at my face. You see pimples. Baby, if you use pimples, stay bath.
Baby, if you want to like, you know what they do.
Go make up.
You go use the girlfriend pancake take raw face. Go use something tie in head. You can't use all those cloths, all those children cloths take tie in head. Made enough for the see real face.
You open mouth because
she no even get shame. See Splash, you no get shame at all. You no get shame. People like you will say that naked video don't full everywhere. You're not supposed to come out. You're not supposed to come out on social media.
The finger itself.
You are not supposed to be coming out on social media. You are not supposed at all to be coming out on social media. You get why? You're not supposed to come out because.
You when they beg for friendship.
Yeah, they be say, see why you know I'll be your friend. Who knows you as my friend?
Not even the shame.
Who knows? I don't ever upload your picture as my friend. I don't ever you they talk and you call me, you know I've been your friend. Who knows you?
Block me now.
Who knows you?
Block me.
See, even she says she won't come Poland. No be your girlfriend they say me, no be you who say me my girlfriend come to Poland.
Yes, so now she tell me.
I call her for say if I hear say you go Poland, now me come say me no go.
May I tell the food when your girlfriend tell me say that they naked, wear for the husband, you know they wear anything. You go naked, ask her. Because I do not want to refer to your girlfriend. Now you want to make me refer to your girlfriend. When your girlfriend tell me, say, now this thing they do, they naked, they know they wear anything, they hold pole, they romance this thing. They fuck itself for them. Now I stay, say, I'm not going to go again. Ask her. I do not want to refer to your girlfriend. Since you want to make me to refer to her, I will refer to her.
Now you call her, make come Poland.
Poland. And your girlfriend tell me, say, the money over there is so poor. Now what did she tell me? Ask her. She said the money they poor. Now make me not come again. As the time me say the money not even reach dollar. I said the money not reach dollar. Dollar high pass. Euro high pass. Now stay for my house because I not fit. Instead I go just cook my go Africa go dey do ashawa for me to go country when be say euro big pass, dollar big pass. Wetin I want to go do for such
see where girlfriend go dey baba. Oh Jesus Christ.
If you want me add your girlfriend join now you dey make your girlfriend issue dey come out for inside.
See where your girlfriend
and
go
if you want make come out you go come out.
You see where your girlfriend go dey splash.
If you want bring your girlfriend come out.
Where euro even big pass.
Dollar even big pass.
Dollar even big pass. Wetin come big pass again? Even pounds big pass sef.
Not big pounds with the highest money.
Ew God ooo.
It's splash now like not be they are 20 they are 100 euro for there not be 20 not be they are 100 euro if they convert their money you hold 100 may I say 100 euro for there they cannot come here not be 20 euro I like
10:30 be ready o 40 years old for road work thank you but how old is your girlfriend wey be say you come Europe you born you get pikin you no even dey take care of the pikin no baby I wait because you dey insult you I need to see carry man go where you get friend no tell me that that one is between the two of una you understand that one is between the both of you as Splash one man carry man go where you get friend there be say the girl na nice girl before I don't want carry man go there but now I need to carry because you know if you dey insult my girlfriend then my girlfriend was make me know insult your own girlfriend then I go keep quiet I need to talk Splash oh if not be Alura who even know you first of all who know you which day you begin come out for Nigeria before you first know wetin dey call Facebook wey be say Facebook come become your house where you for dey dwell where you for dey chop where you for dey smoke cocaine where you for dey smoke igbo if not be Alura who knows you if not be for Nigeria you no even know wetin dey call Facebook I surprise say na Facebook come be your house when you for the sleep they wake up because you no get ass. When you for the sleep they wake up. If person your pinch you once live video. Who your cough live video. The man will say you see both of Nigeria will see insult you live video. As the pikin die they call you insult you carry your man your party to everything put for live video they cause them because you no get respect. Who no fit respect your mother?
No,
how you want to respect another person mama because you carry man go where my girlfriend mama dey. So you meaning say you see the effect on your mother too because if you say you get mama see explain me tell you something wherever your mama dey na grave anywhere wey e dey the fact say you carry man go give another person mama na your mama you dey talk to because you carry man go give you carry man go reflect on another person mama so therefore na your mama na you stay follow the talk if that is if you even get mama o because I know say people like you wey be say if you come for social media come fool yourself come fool yourself smoke cocaine that kind of person no for you splash o you even get respect for your mama you dey call your mama at all you dey call your mama at all people like you be say if you come out for social media cough anyhow back anyhow show their pussy anyhow people like una no get mama because I no even get respect for una mother I'm aware because if you be say if you carry mask go give another person mama you feel see insult your mother I'm aware you upload your mother naked picture on Facebook people like you if you can insult somebody's mother you can still post your mother naked picture on Facebook people like
if
you
post your girlfriend naked piece which person you know fit
if you can people like can fit expose the mother your girlfriend naked picture on Facebook na mama picture naked picture na you know fit post you fit post am na you fit post am people like you fit post your mother naked picture for Facebook because you don dey expose the girl wey be say dey suck him pussy you don even expose him o ama where your own wey be say e full everywhere gem o everywhere dey everywhere ama where your own so na your mama o na you wan call remain na your mama o remain na because your own dey everywhere I go on that day na your naked picture dey show me do you know this girl she live in Italy do you know this girl look at her video everywhere I was ashamed I have to deny you let me block you no vex I say I don't know am o me I no be friend of Facebook I no even know before I can't even type your name dey see am I no show because I can't go block you to show am say we no be friends because you no get sense because you no get sense person calls you as a mature human being as a mature girlfriend that I have as you call am say na 40 years old yeah I agree see splash any level dey go be say you wan do I no care only wetin you the only word wey be say you go talk say I abandon her I go forget girl I come still come back alora I say concern you if you like talk about live video you no comment anything for my body o you no comment anything for my body my guy if na that one you dey talk you no comment anything for my body dey hear me so you no comot anything for my body if na that one you wan your talk say you abandon her you can't do this one. Oh God, I regret ever knowing you as a friend. Which friend sef as a Facebook nuisance, Facebook bitch. I regret ever knowing you as a dog barking on Facebook every minute, every hour, every second. I regret knowing you as that. I regret knowing everybody knows you. They bark for Facebook. Your mama will offend you live. You do live video for your head. Who know they offend you when they do live video? You first get accident before we say the blood run enter your brain. You first get accident before because only people will say they get accident will say blood will come run they will say blood will run enter in vein in brain then they will say no normal again so anybody who insult and you go wan die if anybody insult them wan die you will come which day for year not be 4 days ago see why you block me see why did you block me see why you offend me you remember we were friends before see why I want to be your friend block me and who know you as my friend. Person like me will be your friend. God forbid. I don't know you as my friend who splash you. I've never introduced you to anybody as my friend before, and I've never uploaded your picture as a friend. If I don't begin if they say which person picture I don't ever upload as a friend should be Dr. Yoto because that is the only person picture which I don't upload on my Facebook as a friend. I never ever post a picture as to wish you will come on birthday. Say okay, my friend is doing birthday, happy birthday. I never try one day as a friend say may I upload splash this thing make I wish am happy uzwa abi ogwogboa uzaga wagbon lórí iwu make darkness cover your face for there. Darkness will cover your face for there. As na course you want, make darkness cover your. Hey, see Splash, don't let me deal with you. You get why? Splash, no, don't just let me deal with you, eh? If I deal with you for this Europe, eh, you will regret. You regret why you beg Tiwa to say, Tiwa, I want to be your friend. Don't let me deal with you.
The voice record is here.
Because if I deal with you personally, you will regret. You will regret.
The voice record when they call Sonia, they hear.
The same things you say I be fake lesbian, Baben, eh? I be fake lesbian, but at least I have just only one evidence to show that, yeah, even though say I be fake, yes, then we be say they come Europe, come start am. All of una so una come Europe, come start and say Europe, all of una for start and say una wan come be the lesbian. Una will be so they come out for social media, every small thing, social media. Eh, you offend me, you kill me. No, una start now for Europe. Oh. Now start now for Europe. The time will be say lesbian dey hot then in Nigeria. Oh. Back then in Nigeria. See Splash, you be more for lesbian issue. When it comes to say
Lola issue.
When it comes to say Lola issue, you are a kid. You are a kid, okay? You are a kid. Now we say me don't fuck tire and now don't born. Now we see people they say I'm a lesbian, I'm a stud. Who that should stud? You go boy. Who that should stud? Real stud, they don't talk to me. Real stud never they come up and say I be stud, I'm a real stud, I'm a dude. You they mad? Who that should? The real one hide their face because they not feel they come they mingle with low class like Splash. Who call himself Splash? No nah, Splash. Me and you now, we not be see. Look me now, we're not supposed to we not did the same class now. Get why now? Splash, you dey fuck up. Why you dey fuck up like this? We not did the same class. If me and you even post, maybe even say me and you will post our two pictures. Say, Mom, they say choose between both of us. May I choose between both of us? You know now.
I know.
See why you will be fame for Africa. Your girlfriend na Europe for start lesbian sef. Na she talk am so. Me na fame for Nigeria. Oh, where's Paco? Where is my where's Paco? Where's Paco? I don't want to say yes. Say na yeah. Say maybe the concert. I be when my phone. I go call my bestie Sparkle. He will tell you everything about me from Bogo.
Your Nigeria picture. When they do.
He will tell you everything about me from Bogo. Say me and you we not supposed to even dey talk. It's not Nigeria now. Thank God, Emmanuel Johnson don't come here beg. Tell him.
Even Koda, me go ask Koda.
Go ask Koda itself. You will know if that is if Koda fits it know me for Nigeria or because I know Koda when we say Koda they dance for Nigeria. If they do go like those live band for Nigeria. Koda Emmanuel and 9 years so he go testify say no be Europe here matter for the run now. If you want to know where matter for the run, you go Bongo. You understand? I have so many evidence to show you. I will call person and I will clear you the issue. Who you be? You mad? You felt crazy before? Since people say start lesbian for okay because you start lesbian for means everybody are the same thing like you. No nah. Low class Splash. Not minor, very low class human being. Very low class. It's too low. It's too rough. It's too rough. My dear, look, see, Splash is just too rough. Leave Sparkle. Berry smell. Now which can be leave Sparkle? You don't know every. You the better way say they talk. You don't know every. You don't know every for the Bongo side. You don't know every for the Bongo side because it's Splash starts in year tomboy for a year. You want to follow people wey be say they carry from Bongo come. They carry for Bongo. People wey be say they carry for Bongo come no even dey talk. Splash is obvious say Splash is obvious say is see why who dey offend you na one stupid yeye person wey call himself stud o wey dey call himself stud wey call himself Splash he dey fool himself for life video as mature as my girlfriend is a mature lady like the mature sexy baby
you
like
this.
this.
14 years old.
It's a mature sex.
You say I be 40
Take
years
a good look at her.
When I see the 40 years
Sex,
girl.
40 years girl. When I say her 40
See the
years
40.
girl.
I like am o. That means if I even though I reach 200 years, I'm still young past Splash.
Nah, you're still young person.
I bet when I look me, if I date 40 years, I young like this, I still date sexy like this. That means if I still date 240 years, I'll still date okay.
Your Bible Splash.
Yes,
Make Splash now don't grow one hair. Your cheek will fall. Those cheek will make coco so will be like stone.
Pimples do me with. Pimples.
Now one stupid your idiot will call himself Splash. They fool himself for live video. My girlfriend call and say, "Yeah, for Splash." Person your borders him boss and say, "Yeah, see why you want something." No, joke. I know it's not a joke. It's a joke. See this berry. I beg you still call your come. See berry. That berry. See, I never see. Splash. I tell you something. No need for sparkle anymore. Berry smile is here. When no me from Bongo they come, it's there here with you. Go clear you the issue. Now if you start your lesbian, now you know what talk say people because you start to for you, they free yourself on social media, every small social media. How many of us you don't say person will just offend us one? Me and the daughter will not quarrel. We get heavy quarrel, we quarrel heavy quarrel. We not type status one day. We not go on live video for each other head one day. But you, person will offend you. Bakam. Live video. Person will call a Splash. Wetin happen? Bam. Live video. You dey mad? That's what happen. You dey praise because you have no dignity. Because you have no respect for yourself. You have no respect for yourself. If they will say, "Mo look ourselves." Splash see me o. Forget say I grab. What they do? You understand? Forget say I grab. You understand? Forget say I grab. Look me where. If you look my body where you know say yeah my body and your body not supposed to they compare with me and you. You went me coco for face. Dry like crayfish for this thing.
This is not to wash picture, idiot.
You were dry like crayfish for this thing. Splash is a confused Ghana. It's not a confirmed Ghana girl. Splash is not a Ghana. Splash is a Calabar girl. Splash is a Calabar girl. Easy to be 40 years. Tessie don't come o. Person will say no be from Bongo they come. Tessie, thank God say you there here. Splash, you dirty idiot. Say na Europe. Say for Nigeria, me na chick. Say for Nigeria, me na chick. Who want know why? Your bestie, the master of truth and dare. Oh, stop it. They talk on that one. They talk on that.
Wait till they kiss girls from Nigeria.
No mind that bastard though. Thank God say I have almost 3 people here who know me right from Nigeria. You understand? I don't forget my own name. See, forget people don't say I started for Europe. You know me say if anybody offend me, I'll go live video. No, go they full for live video. And that's why you can't go they play record. You are not matured. You're not a matured lesbian, my guy. You're not a mature Lola. Now we start to the when they say Lola, what they will say. Now what they give lesbian name for public? They will say kids or day you will give her name. Say call her so name. Person like you Splash, even though it's not public today for Nigeria, if you call her lesbian, you not come out. I will tell you names. This one not even know what it is. Many people don't tell me say it's okay because my girlfriend no na Calabar girl.
Calabar girl.
Splash na Calabar girl. If you tell us na Ghana na he lie. Na Calabar girl go be say they chuchu can for pussy. For Napoli, they chuchu can. If they fuck himself on time, if you girlfriend go road work, you dey chuchu can for himself pussy. They fuck himself. No, na my test for Nigeria. Na my test for Nigeria. I bet make una forget her matter. Na small pikin dey worry am. I just tired. This na test wey be say no be for Nigeria dey come. Even Diamond, may Diamond soul rest in peace this night. Me no come be say I call the call person be say don't die. They call your name come here. Diamond. See, Splash and respect yourself. Respect your old age and hide yourself. My advice to you is that at least limit your live video. It's too much. Not all the time you come on live video to fool yourself. Okay? Limit your live video. It's too much. It's just too much for you. Just try and limit it. Everybody don't know you are a dog with the back for live video every time. Person will offend you. Live video. Live video.
Nice stupidity. They know they like
live video. You know get respect for yourself. who wan describe you say no that girl wey be say like live video wey be say dey do live video well well.
na so they describe am.
na so they describe am. that girl na wey be say dey do live video we dey take cocaine we dey smoke igbo dey take codeine for inside live video shame no dey your eye. Oh baba I no know wetin make me first know you from the beginning o.
na come beg for your friendship.
You come beg me for friendship why I dey on my house you don money dey tell me say tiwa unblock me na why dey block me you dey mad you no even reach to be my friend for Facebook na the day wey you call me which night I say Splash I no like your way you too dey do live video if you limit am we will be friend na what I tell you come say okay you hear you go limit your live video na wetin if I lie this night I tell you say Splash you too rude you too be like dog for live video try to limit your live video I will be your friend na wetin I tell you that day I say if you can limit your live video I will be your friend that was what I told you that the very day you called me that was what I told you I say try and limit your live video and I'm ready to be your friend if you can still remember till I leave Diamond let him soul rest in peace I be no wahala sha everywhere good but Diamond soul rest in peace see this one wey start lesbian for Italy Italy do you good oh you can't even get 6 months you can't even get 6 months you can't get 6 months to take go you can't as you can't get 6 months you can't get 6 months to take go Poland no Poland I say e dey when I get for the climb pole dey show pussy for pole where you get for the I hear say you dey live video I hear say the person just write me and say you dey live video you are a bastard anything you like talk for live video.
The country where the money is small, you say me dey beg. I no be you say me I go meet your girlfriend.
Anything you like, you do for life.
Now you say me I go meet your girlfriend for Poland. When your girlfriend tell me say I take the hustle, say you need to pull everything. You no wear anything, you hope they want your waist before you fit carry person. Now say I no dey go, dey crazy. If voice record dey my phone, dey mad.
You back na ugly goat. Hey. That's how you tell us na ugly go very ugly.
Now you go open mouth dey talk.
Very ugly human being. Ugly human being. You dey fool yourself for live video. They do live video. They fool himself. Stud will do this kind thing. My show now. My bring her out for me.
Let me bring it out. Oh, make them see stud.
Stud will say they choke am for yourself pussy.
Don't worry.
You will dey choke am for yourself pussy. See Splash o. If they come tell me say you dey live video, I call dey shake. Him Splash wan go give dey for live video. How far? Your live video, you no get who e dey help. People wey be say they comment for your live video, they dey laugh you no know. Say this one Italy, you don craze for Italy. You don craze.
That one na abandon.
You don craze for Italy. You say they don chook am for a pussy finish for Napoli. Disgrace yourself.
You gog na Dr. Yoto na help am. You gog na. The man wey go meet for us, he pursue and doctor na help am for us.
No, na message that you message and then you go
message am.
No, no.
You gog.
Mona no mind now. Na digital na if you see, I be like rabbit. E be like rabbit. People wey be say they pour water for him body. Be like rabbit.
See na stud.
He say na stud. I'm a stud.
Stud for what?
I'm a stud. We stud. Who dash you stud? Who dash you stud? I don't understand. Who give you stud?
This money. You and your girlfriend quarrel.
Person
wey still call your girlfriend still go feel upload the notes. Then when you call your girlfriend, you go upload the notes.
You go upload the naked picture on Facebook.
You not believe say your own go come out one day, idiot. Bastard. No, na the video I want play.
The video knows.
The sister.
Just down. See stud. I'm a stud. See breast everywhere. Now ma I send this one give you. Now ma I send this one give ma. Now I send this one give.
They call itself stud.
Stud. Send this one give ma. See human being. Stud. Breast. The pikin wey be say he died. He don't suck the breast. Breast don't fall. See am. When I see stud.
The pikin swear na dey disturbance.
When I see stud.
I wan find the video.
I'm too big for all this, Stella, but Splash is getting me, and Splash came to me and begged me for friendship. If I lie this time for Splash head, make that Splash pikin wey die may resurrect.
lie now.
Me and us because I dey pity for the poor pikin wey splash use hungry pikin. Splash you dey Europe, you no fit send your pikin money. They call you, they say your pikin dey sick. You no fit send am money. That pikin die like that. Your pikin die like that. Splash. You see they come out for live video. They see who person wey be say he ugly and person wey be say he no ugly. They see person wey be say I'm a classic lesbian. This one is classic. You see they see. Splash, you get mind though. You get mind, Splash, eh? Say you fit to yours day. They go call you for home tell you say your pikin dey sick. You go just abandon that pikin, make that pikin die like that. I don't fit give money, make you give them. So that they will take treat am. You just leave that pikin, make that pikin die like that. Make una send me the video. Don't worry, I will send you the video. I will inbox me later. I will send you the video.
The video, I want share am for my inbox.
I will send you the video.
Video wey dey finger itself. Video.
That stupid human being kill in your pikin. He kill your pikin. He kill your pikin with your own hand. They go call you for home tell you say your pikin no well. You see they come out for live video. They
and if you provoke me more than this, I go dismiss you with your girlfriend note. I'll use and do proverb for call me TY favorite.
Because I'm hungry.
Because I use the hand to post in the girlfriend notes, and if you offend me, if I provoke more than this, I go use you with the girlfriend notes to do profile.
Tell the so-called Splash say make she quit lesbian because she is a disgrace to LGBT. I dey tell you, tell C. This girl fit kill your pikin. If you fit kill your pikin, my mind no fit kill. They call you for home because wey be say you carry for 9 months. Wey be say you born, you carry for 9 months. Your pikin wey be say you carry for 9 months. Hey, oh God, I will say I don't born if I come out for house. I will say then say maybe no be lesbian issue. Say maybe I no be stud. I for you also say they date my born before I enter Europe. You see as you see ugly. You see a man who be say fuck you, give you belle, you born pikin. They call you tell you say pikin no well. You no fit send money give pikin. May your mama take treat pikin. You allow that pikin make that pikin die. You allow your pikin make your pikin die for Bongo Splash. For Calabar, you fit get mind.
Make they
bury. Say na from Ghana, from Calabar, Calabar.
I want a Calabar mumu. Now that one they do sacrifice for Calabar.
No, what I will send her the video. I will send her the picture. What be say? He take the finger himself. Splash come the finger himself. He cast for Facebook. No, anybody will be say he no get that video. That person no dey Facebook. That person no dey Facebook. Splash the finger himself. Even send her give man. Who? See who say he say they advise me to go back to my date. You they advise my girlfriend me to come back to now you dey find carry stud they give am. Now you dey carry frustrated stud like you see they give my girlfriend. You think say go date? You no go fit date you. I know my girlfriend. Even though say I don't say baby I wan go break for now. I see one girl wey say I wan go rush go for. You go still dey away from me because I'm my girlfriend. I engage am. You now I don't know which one you dey. You from A enter B, from B you go C. But I see as I don't come back to my girlfriend so your quarrel your chat no fit make me break up with am again. You no fit make us get issue because na my life, my joy, my happiness. 40 years old woman, I love her with all my life. Oh, baby, give me a nice smile. She give me a nice smile for me. She just gave me a nice. Make the test Splash, make Splash. You go dey do live video. Make he hide the face. Make Splash hide the face. Splash no get sense. Very soon I will go carry cigar, go dey smoke for live video. Mature human being go carry cigar, cocaine, go dey put for nose. Small pikin like that. Go carry cocaine dey put for nose.
Wetin I wan call do abeg?
Go carry pikin dey put for nose. Go carry cocaine dey put for nose. Cocaine dey put am for nose. Small pikin like that. Because you manage enter Europe, you come feel say life don finish. Una see people dey watch and dey back for live video, but at least as me your day so since I no dey shout, I dey drop my word small for I do the way my strength reach. But oh God,
Igbo don affect brain.
Igbo and cocaine don condemn him brain. Igbo and cocaine don condemn that guy brain. Which guy? That chick brain. My first lady, no too stress yourself.
Thank you.
My bestie is here. He say me no stress yourself. You get why? No stress yourself because I see even there. So even say you don't even see beg my girlfriend to be a mother before. That was then. 2017. Then when both of us sit dey hot that time you don beg us say you say abeg make me be him father make my girlfriend be him mother. Na we say no you too rough. That bastard so that useless human being wey call himself dog for that wey be say he call himself social media dog splash you don come beg us say abeg we wan be your mother. He kill your son your pikin whether na girl abi na boy I no even know. He kill your pikin dey sick pikin dey sick dem call you say pikin dey sick dey hospital you no mind you go live video go dey resort you no do am the pikin die but you fit carry other people come live video now come dey talk say na so Samantha fake na so Samantha dey kill dog don die you remain you at least na animal die your own na pikin for you no even feel pain say this pikin I carry am for 9 months you fit get the mind kill her you fit get the mind you no even think am say God how people go think how your mama that pikin was too innocent for you to just feel like that was too innocent. I go send her the video ma no worry no be video I get video na no worry I go send her video video full everywhere I go send her video no be video o I go send her video. Kill your pikin first kill your pikin no get sense you need to tell me no get sense and na small pikin dey worry if na small pikin dey worry am make e too local for my liking where local you go dey show you for life say just no be even go see wetin Alura buy for me if no be Alura wey no use I no afford this look at the master shoe Alura for me you no even get shame for eye shame no even catch you your class if I no kill that pikin only that pikin wey you kill and my baby mother wey you insult you don offend me this live video so we go dey start am dey go till you decided to change for live video say yes make I still give break you too do live video too much you dey fool yourself for your mind na say I dey fool people na lie o na yourself you just dey fool for yourself you dey fool for your mind na say I dey fool people na lie you are fooling yourself you better know now no say you dey fool yourself now miss miss wetin is her name you say me first dey first and why you don talk to me that idiot that foolish human being Flash no get sense. Girlfriend take picture full everywhere. Na you dey hand take post. This one I go your girlfriend get issue go post the note. You no dey shame. Yeah, Cynthia I know. Flash you don't come on live video to insult serious mother. No. If not that person mama I go even they don't do my girlfriend mama. I go go dey tell my girlfriend mama say you don't that okay. Who knows say na that? You no get mama. You see you pikin by yourself. You pikin by yourself. I'm only going to end this live video because people are telling me that I'm too big for all this, and I'm not feeling proud of myself. Talking to a girl, a bitch, a cheap girl, where is for now for the to come for a pussy. You understand? And see, I'm not just going to be beg for you to end the live video. You are a bastard. people like this. I want to because I get important things to do with my life, you know. My mom is there. I don't want my mom to watch me too much. Because I'm already at home myself now. Just like everyone. Let her back because she's a dog. I don't back. I talk in a cool mind. But when I go watch her night, they back like dog. So I'm going. Okay, good night.